Okay? I just fixed my camera because yung mga hindi naka-attend, makaka-record maire-record ko yung aking lecture. Okay, so the body of the literature review is has the synonymous, okay? Has the synonymous way in writing the introduction. In the introduction, okay, in the intro, we explore, okay, we explore the problem that we have that the research is about to answer at the end. Remember that the literature review is providing us both theoretical and conceptual support in your study. Again, it is providing both theoretical and conceptual support in your study. Thus, in the introduction of your study, you are providing the readers, okay, some research experts. You are providing your readers to on the matter on how the problem of your study and the variables are you are trying to relate with it may have, okay, may have a relation or may have difference, or how at the progress of your study may these variables show influence with one another. So, yun ang laman ng ating literature review. Sa intro, we are giving an overview. Okay? In the body of the literature review, okay? In the body of the literature review, we are providing research-based results. Okay? We are providing results. We are providing claims. Okay? We are also providing some antagonizing concepts. About our research study. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, it only means that when we say review of related literature and studies, it does not only shows concepts, okay, result-based results from other studies, and it does not only show some conclusions coming from other study that may support our study. Hindi lang siya yung mga bida, okay? Pinapakita din ng literature review yung kontrabida sa study natin. So, halimbawa, ang study ni ganito ay tungkol sa influence ng research attitude sa research skills ng isang estudyante. Ngayon, maaaring makakita siya ng mga studies na naglalaman na hey, itong research attitude na ito ay nakaka-impluwensya sa research skills ng isang estudyante. Pero maaari rin siyang magpakita ng mga studies na kumukontra dun sa result na iyon. Halimbawa, on the study of Aleta in 2017, he provided that research publication influences, or the attitude of the students towards research publication and research collaboration influences the research skills of the students in terms of ongoing writing. Because, according to the study, the way you look at research publication or the way it motivates to you fuels your writing ability. And the research collaboration attitude of yours, believing that other researchers may have, that other researchers may contribute something on the development of your study, fuels you to write more. So, yun yung bida. And then, gagamit ka ng isang transitional device. Sasabihin mo, however, in the study of, halimbawa, on the study of Gadi in 2019, Gadi refuted that research attitude does not have any influences on the development of research skills. Because according to the study of Gadi, he says that attitude is a big element. It encompasses everything. It cannot be delimited to collaboration and publication, something like that. So, hindi pwedeng ang ilalagay mo lang sa iyong study ay yung mga bida. Kailangan meron ka rin ipapakita mga antagonizing concepts. In some other books, they called it as the thesis the antithesis, and the synthesis method. Sa body ng inyong literature review, pwedeng ganito ang format. Ipakita mo muna yung mga bida, ipakita mo yung mga kontrabida, and then, kailangan sa huli, mapagbati mo yung dalawang iyon. So, thesis, antithesis, and synthesis. Kung hindi mo kayang pagbatiin yung dalawang yon, pwede ka rin humanap ng ibang study na kung saan ginamit niya yung dalawang elements ng thesis mo at ng antithesis. So, the body of the literature review must show, okay? It must show how different researchers, how different authorities in the field of your interest may have contributed to the development of your future research study. Again, it provides us both theoretical and conceptual support. Therefore, itong body mo, inaasahan natin na yan ay may lamang mga citations. Yan ay nagbabanggit ka ng mga authorities. And most of the time, pinababayaan natin na opinion natin ang lumalabas sa literature review. That is not very nice. Though you may inject some of your assumption, pwede ka mag-mention ng iyong assumption, pero tandaan mo, yung assumption mo ay kinakailangan pa rin masuportahan ng mga related concepts and related studies. Therefore, you need to understand that the attitude of researcher as a courageous and adventurous individual in the pursuit of knowledge, dito lumalabas. Kaya nga po, dapat we are also honest in declaring our literature citations. Ibig sabihin nito, kailangan ikaw din bilang isang researcher, honest ka sa pagbibigay ng credit sa iba. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na lahat ng nilagay mo dyan ay gawa mo. Another one, in the rules of direct quotation. Kasi, nung nakaraang linggo, may mga nag-message na sa akin. Sabi nila, Sir, pwede po bang mag-direct quotation? Sabi ko, walang masama sa direct quotation. Di ba nga, ano yung rule natin? Can you chat that? Paano mo malalaman kung hindi ka nag-plagiarize sa iyong direct quotation? Pag pinagsama-sama natin ang mga dinirect quote mo, ito ay dapat nasa ilang page lang. Ito ay nasa isa o isa't kalahating page. Ibig sabihin nun, pag pinagsama-sama mo sa buong thesis mo, yung lahat ng dinirect quote mo, hindi ka dapat lumagpas sa barometer na ito. Ibig sabihin nun, pag ikaw ay nag-direct quotation, be responsible also. Hindi tayo nagda-direct quotation ng isang paragraph, 3 paragraph, isang pahina galing sa isang research. No. We use direct quotation again so that the integrity of that resource na kinuha mo ay hindi mawawala kasi kung paano binanggit ng researcher, ganun mo siya binanggit sa papel mo. But it doesn't give you this excuse na kunin mo lahat ng kanyang mga sinulat. Naintindihan po ba yon? Hindi nito binibigyan ikaw ng laya na kunin mo lahat ng sinabi niya sa papel niya kasi ikaw ay nagda-direct quote. That is wrong. So, in the body of the literature review, ganun pa rin. Okay? Ganun pa rin ang nangyayari. Kinakailangan natin na gumamit ng mga direct quotation materials. Okay? Pero, again, para hindi kayo maligaw, mag-direct ka siguro ng 2 hanggang 3 sentences. Okay? Para hindi mo naman masabi na kinopya mo lahat. Okay? Now, let's continue. Do you have any question, class? Can you chat your question? Or can you just react if you have any question? Yes or no? Raise your hand. May I see? Wala na? Chat, kahit sa chat, wala? Clarice, sige, mag-unmute ka. Go. Anong tanong?
Yes, nag-no po ako.
Ano?
Nag-no po ako, sir.
Okay. Sorry, akala ko may tanong ka. Anyway, yan. So, is it okay to proceed with my lecture? React, please. Okay. Okay na bang mag-proceed? Okay, good. So, I will now, some techniques, let me tell you honestly, there is no such a machine, okay? There's no such a machine or a program that you will be encoding in your computer and out of a sudden, the review of related literature is finished. No, walang ganon. Still, you need to read. But there are some things that I can provide you as an advice. I want you to love the following. Love those what we call transitional devices. Can you give me an example of transitional device? Tama ba spelling ko? I think tama naman. Can you give an example of transitional device? Kahit sa chat? Ano yung mga transitional device? Yan. Correct. We have however. Ano pa? Ano yung mga transitional device natin? Additionally. Correct. Ano pa? Therefore. Yan. Furthermore. For instance. Yan. But remember, we use transitional device in an appropriate manner. We use transitional device in appropriate manner. There are some transitional device wherein, we are using it kapag nag-a-add tayo ng statement. Halimbawa, let's erase this again. Halimbawa, yan. May mga hindi naka-attend, Sige. Don't worry, please tell them na I am recording this. Not in Zoom ha, I'm recording this on my phone. Okay? And I will just share it to you later. So, halimbawa, you want to add information. Okay. When you want to add info, it means your first sentence and your second sentence, are they friends or not? Kapag nag-a-add info tayo, will they be friends or not? Ibig sabihin nun, ano ibig sabihin nun? That the first and the second sentence are friends with one another. Ibig sabihin nun, magkasundo, sinusuportahan ng second sentence si first sentence, and there is harmony. That's why we add info. And the most used dyan, okay, yung pinakagamitin ay yung moreover. Diba? Okay. Ano pa? Meron din tayong ginagamit na in addition. O diba? Pag may mga transitional device ka, ang ganda pakinggan, diba? Kasi it makes you more aware of the information. It makes you more aware of the related data or the related concepts that can support you. Halimbawa, moreover, in addition to that, sino ba nandito? Guarin 2003 presented that. Ayan. Tapos halimbawa, after the statement of Guarin, meron ka pang idadagdag. Halimbawa, Lord 2002, in his earlier studies, he presented that in support to. Ayan. Pwede mo rin ilagay, during the citation, pwede mong ilagay coherent to the study of. Coherent to the study of. Yan. Pwede mo rin ilagay furthermore. Ako favorite kong sabihin in the same line of discussion. Di ba? Sabi nga nila, at least yan, pag yan ang ginamit mo, mahaba yung line, madadagdagan ng words. In the same line of discussion, Moreover, pwede kasi yan, in the same line of discussion, ang next niyan yung apelido. Halimbawa, in the same line of discussion, Aleta 2019 presented that. Okay? Coherent to the study of. Okay? So, yan ngayon. So, ito ay nag-a-add info. Pero, meron din tayong mga transition devices or transitional devices na ang kanyang purpose is to what? Is to contradict another information. O, magbigay nga kayo ng mga contradicting transitional devices. Can I erase this? Do you want to print screen muna? Kung nag-print screen kayo, i-thumbs up nyo ako. Tapos send nyo sa GC ha. O, send. Okay, good. Miss Clarice, did you print screen ba? Sino nag-print screen sa atin? Pwede na ako mag-proceed? Thank you. Yan, para may mga magagamit kayo. Okay, let's continue. Ano yung mga example na ano yung mga example ng contradicting devices? For a while ha, for a while. Sige nga, magbigay kayo ng example. Mga contradicting devices. Ang ingay ng manok. Okay? Ano-ano ang mga example natin? So yan, on the other hand, meron din tayo mga transitional device na however, okay, yung mga for contradiction. Yan, meron tayong tinatawag na, halimbawa, however, pwede rin yung but. Okay? In the contrary, yan. Okay? In the contrary, pwede in contrast. Okay? On the other hand, correct. Okay? Pwede mo rin ilagay different to the study of. Halimbawa, different to the study of Gadi 2020, Aleta 2017 presented. Yan. So pwede mong sabihin yan, different to the study of. Pwede mong lagay na different to the study of the above mentioned authors. Different to the study of the above-mentioned authors, Gadi 2019 presented that. Yan. So, pwede kang gumamit ng mga contradicting. Yan, yung mga hindi ganun ka or kumaga ay hindi ganun katulad o hindi ganun ka hindi naman sa hindi relevant. Kumaga iba yung na-discover niyang result. So, lumalabas din dyan, lalo na kung may study na nagbigay ng significant relationship, yung isa walang significant relationship, yung isa may significant difference, yung isa walang significant difference. Maganda din yung ilagay sa inyong literature body. Okay? You have any questions? Because after this, I will now go to a sample. Yan. Bibigay na ako ng sample. Do you have any questions so far, class? Okay? Meron pa po ba tayong tanong? Okay, if we don't have any question, I will now proceed to my computer and I will now share my screen